Here's Nancy. Ooh. Grab it. Hudson. Shh. We're working on breakfast. We're working on breakfast. Nancy. Are we ahead of girl now? We got to play in the snow with Gavin. Here, Nancy Pants. Hi. Oh, she loves Lonnie. She just loves him. Does her butt smell okay, mister? Nancy! Come here! Hi! Hi, honey. Well, don't play with him. He's a crab. He's a crab. Hi. Susan, this is what she's like when she's happy. When she's around the crabby setters. Mary Moo and Dante. Hey, come here. Lonnie? Lon! We are not playing in the kitchen. Come on. Come here. Boy, Dante. You are so mean. Sheldon looks just like you. Nancy Pants. Nancy. I know. I'm working on it. Okay.